Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap. Today is the 1st of November and let's start with a SPY. It showed this double bottom formation which is kind of like a bullish formation, and as you can see it bounced off from the lows. Overall market sentiment was bullish. My first trade was on Lucid. So Lucid Motor, I mean, I don't know what's going on with Lucid Motors. Seems like short sellers has, are still having a strong hold on this stock. This stock is heavily shorted, and since this stock is not available on Tdameritrade for shorting, I couldn't take advantage of its downside. On this consolidation, I tried to take a trade on it, and I was expected it to break high, break that $39-40 level because call flow was there to support that price action, but that didn't happen. A short seller took in charge, and then after that it was just downhill story from there, and it never recovered to that high level. So I lost $50 to $49 on it. The next trade that I took on Facebook. So Facebook was another failure and I couldn't manage my entry over there. Overall Facebook move was bullish and I tried to take a trade on this support. I shorted 200 shares, and I shorted 100 shares first and then 100 shares again. I guess on the first trade I was down by $70, and the next trade I was expecting it to break this level and go to retest this 330 level, but that didn't happen. And my second short trade I earned $30 and covered some of the losses, but still ended up losing $41.41. And then the next trade after that I took was on Bttx. So Better Therapeutics was kind of like a second or third leading gapper in the entire stock market, and it made a huge move in the pre-market hours, but gave back almost all of it. I started seeing the pattern forming over here as it was following this channel, and on the breakout of this channel I took a trade on it and I was up by $96, and then I couldn't get a chance to take a trade on this breakout. But and as you can see here, it was following all the textbook patterns. This was a symmetrical triangle breakout pattern. It was forming this rising wedge breakout pattern, same over here. So it provided bunch of opportunities, like 1 2 3 4 opportunities to take a good trade on. I took trade when it pulled back. So those were my trades. After initial trade I took 2 to 3 trades, and all of them were on the pullback. So overall combining profit that I earned during those trades is $264.10. After that I took small trades on BKK. On this rebound I took a trade by 10 shares on $4. Nothing significant over there. GME was another one. With after this huge bull run it pulled back a lot and couldn't hold its gain, and on this breakout I was expecting it to break this 2.5 and move towards 210, but after the double top formation I closed my position for $4.10 profit. And the last trade that I took was on Tesla. Everyone was expecting to break that $1,200 level, and on this bull run, on this rising wedge, I was following this rising wedge, and when it pulled back a lot I was expecting it to pull back around 1180 and then push towards 1200, but that didn't happen, so I missed this opportunity. But on the retest of this trend line, it touched that trend line and pulled back a little. So on this pullback I got filled in for 10 shares, and then I sold it with around a $7 profit on those stocks, those 10 shares, and made $77.35. Overall, I made $328.30. I hope you guys made money today. It was a good day. I was expected a little bit pullback or a red day as we usually get on Monday, but that didn't happen. Be careful with trading, as always trading is risky, and if you don't know what you're doing, then probability of you losing money is very, very high. So make sure you know everything about trading and comfortable taking trades. If you are not, trade within simulator and build your own strategy before jumping into the trading. So that's it for this video, guys. See you again in next video. Thanks for watching and have a good night. Bye.